Hi, in this lesson, you'll take a look at types of AI used in games and begin scripting your own AI behaviors. Nowadays, when you think about artificial intelligence, or AI, you probably think of generative AI. This is just one type of artificial intelligence. Broadly speaking, AI is when programs mimic the intelligence or behavioral patterns of humans or any other living entity. These include programmed AI, or predefined behaviors. Within the realm of artificial intelligence, you'll find AI that involves machine learning. This is a technique by which a computer can learn from data without using a complex set of different predefined rules. This approach is mainly based on training a model from data sets. Inside the realm of machine learning is deep learning. Within this type of AI, you find generative AI, or more complex machine learning inspired by our brain's own network of neurons. These programs use a set of neural networks to learn and generate original content, hence the term generative AI. Think of ChatGPT or Gemini chatbots in this category of artificial intelligence. Let's break down ways generative AI and programmed AI are used in video games. Programmed AI, also known as scripted AI, refers to a type of artificial intelligence where non-player characters, or NPCs, in video games follow predefined sets of instructions and react to the environment based on those instructions. These instructions dictate how NPCs will react and act within the game world. Programmed AI has been used in video games for several decades now. In the video game Pac-Man, each ghost non-player character tracks and chases the player character differently. They each have their own programmed behaviors that even vary depending on their game state. For example, they each move differently while chasing Pac-Man, and then move differently when fleeing or running away from Pac-Man. While chasing Pac-Man, one ghost tracks a position slightly ahead of Pac-Man, while others adjust their chasing behavior based on the positions of other ghosts. No machine learning is used in these scripted AI behaviors. All non-player characters, NPCs, follow a predetermined behavior depending on their state in the game. Within machine learning types of AI, you find generative AI, a type of artificial intelligence that can create or generate entirely new content like text, images, music, or even code. It works by analyzing massive amounts of existing data to learn the underlying patterns and relationships. Today, generative AI is found primarily in the game development process. It can be used to generate game narratives, story ideas, and even asset development. Here's an example of Adobe's Firefly AI used in Photoshop to create a custom image. Some game engines even use AI to help generate 3D models and entire game scenes. So, what does the future of AI in games look like? Artificial intelligence is evolving beyond programmed behaviors. Today, NPCs might use machine learning, where game characters can learn and adapt their behaviors and even their dialogue based on encounters with the player or the game world. This can create a more dynamic and unpredictable experience compared to programmed AI behaviors. In a 2020 proof of concept, EA Games explored the opportunities that machine learning brings to sports video games. In this example, the non-player character adjusts their ball control, actions, and positioning based on gameplay and the player character's interactions. This type of artificial intelligence involves multiple data points and data sets for balanced mechanics. NVIDIA, another company leading the development of generative AI used in video games, demonstrated the ability to make more organic conversations or in-game dialogue between players and non-player characters. The NPC's responses to a player's questions are generated based on the player audio input, the game's narrative, the NPC's backstory, and other elements of the game design. Now that you know a little more about different types of AI, it's your turn to script some NPC behaviors.